Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Our preparation for tomorrow non-farm payrolls release is done currently. So market has completed the trading stop that we discussed yesterday, and it has dropped right to the 1780 area. That's actually the last bullish outpost stands here. In the case of the breakout, dropping below this area, market definitely will drop below 107, and I suggest that it could be new downward action below these lows. So the longer term bearish trend on the weekly, on the monthly chart, will have chances to continue. So it means that the both bullish grabbers that was looking really encouraging previously and fascinating, so both of them will be erased in this case. So you can see the importance of this level. So it's really important for medium-term perspective on the euro. Meantime, market stands here, market keeps the support, market keeps the harmony of this pattern. So we called it as a hand shoulders, but mostly by the shape. It has the same shape. It's very harmonic, as you can see. And following this logic, this harmony is one of the major fundamental tools, major fundamental background for the technical analysis. Well, it gives chance on a possible upward action. So I would suggest that this could happen if numbers on the non-farm payrolls will be definitely awful. In this case, maybe we will see some kind of rally here. Well, one thing that I do not like here, but well, partially I already talked about it, is too straightforward downward action. So here, if we would suggest a sharp reversal, usually the downward action should slow down a bit. So but here we have the same pace as this one. But if our major reversal pattern, major reversal factor, driving factor will be fundamental, maybe it will not make so significant sense when we are dealing not with the technical factors but for the fundamentals, because fundamentals could turn any technical price behavior. So now we actually have no choice but just wait and see what will happen, because all things that we discussed is done. The levels have been hit that we talked about. Take a look on the 4-hour time frame chart. We also have this minor ABCD pattern is completed. It's OP target here. This ABC top OP. It's straightforward. BC leg is very small, but still, well, that's the only that we have here, and we're calculating the extension. Stands right here. It's OP. Yesterday, previously, we said that's also XOP of our initial hourly small ABCD pattern. It's also XOP, and take a look. Market precisely has stopped right at the points that we have specified yesterday. So that's 1618 butterfly. Once it has been hit, we see the bounce up. So returning back to idea of the position taking, we said that it's possible two ways of the position taking. First is the small part you could take right in the XOP, which means that somewhere around 30% you could take here. That was first approach. Second approach is waiting for the clear bullish reversal pattern. Second approach doesn't let us to take any position because we do not see any pullback, we do not see rally up from this level, we do not see reversal. Once it will happen, I would suggest that here is really big chance for a hand and shoulders, so it could be something on that sort. Forming, again, using the symmetry. This is the bread and butter of the technical analysis, and here's we could get upward continuation. So it's something of that sort we could watch for, if indeed some reversal will happen here. That's the point that we will consider theoretically for position taking based on the second wave of the position taking. As we said, waiting for a pullback and then taking the position here. But currently, As you can see, nothing has happened of that sort yet. It means that those who are following conservative traders, those who are following this a more safe approach for position taking, just need to sit on their hands and wait when this will happen. Others who have taken position here on XRP, well, you need to get patience and see what will happen. I hope you have taken small part of your position as we suggested, because at that point it's not clear yet that market definitely will turn up. That's just the preparations, preliminary set. That's probably this could happen. Market could fluctuate around this area for some time, waiting for the non-farm payroll release. And finally, what we have here, it's also some minor bullish divergence with the MACD on the hourly chart. Nothing really special, but right at this point. So, as you can see, not much to add right here to overall situation in the EUR. All things that we have discussed is completed. Now we need just be patient a bit and wait what will happen in this level. Also, guys, finally, I would like to add some 2 cents to the Great British Pound, because lots of questions appears on the cable. Well, actually, the long-term stop that we discussed on the cable a few weeks ago is still valid. It hasn't disappeared. The one thing has changed is just a reaction on the resistance. So if you take a look at the weekly chart, that's our setup, guys. That's our huge bullish engulfing, and we are considering the upper continuation. And if you remember, last time we talked about the reaction on the confluence resistance. We thought that reaction should be a bit stronger, because this strong level, that was also agreement resistance, and we said that probably some reversal pattern should be formed here on the intraday charts, on the daily chart. That should lead market to the deeper retracement. But, as you can see on the forward time frame chart, on the daily chart, that was our XOP, by the way, market doesn't want to turn down. It hasn't formed any bearish reversal patterns. Well, it's difficult to call it as a hand and shoulders. Here we have the whole hidden bullish divergence with the MACD. In the current circumstances, we have the weekly bullish context, and market shows, well, that it doesn't want to show deeper retracement. On the gold market, we expect upward direction. On the euro currency, well, at least theoretical chance exists on upward direction. In such circumstances, that mostly suggests the idea of the possible upward continuation, because market stands tight in a tight range right around confluence resistance. Usually, when the market intends to show retracement, intends to show the pullback, it starts it faster. So not standing with a long time around this level. Standing around the level suggests that probably market intends to challenge it. And taking into consideration that we have the weekly bullish context, overall situation here mostly looks bullish, and in current circumstances I do not want to take the short position. Besides, we do not see any clear bearish patterns here. Well, that's the things that currently we see on the Great British Pound as well. So we are coming to an important day tomorrow, so let's see what the result will be.